come in a 2-bedroom apartment, a boutique apartment along Muthangari Drive in Westlands. And what we have here is a 2-bedroom, very well done with amazing finishes. If you have come from the previous video, you have seen what the 1-bedroom look like in this development. If you have not, please remember to go there and see the space that we have there. So right now we are in a 2-bedroom. Size is approximately 100 square meters. We have high ceilings, and the house comes with many more features, like this chandelier here comes with the house, and you have a lot more coming in the kitchen. Right now, let's pick it up from the door. So you enter the house and you are met with this wooden white door coming with a smart lock feature here that can take your fingerprint. You can use your card, or you can just put in your password. Then outside here we have more facilities. We have your 2 big elevators that serves only 3 units per floor. I enter the house and I mean, this is fantastic. The high floors make the space feel very airy and very spacious. You get inside your kitchen, you have a mini breakfast island here with a marble countertop, and this looks really, really good. This is a real marble. We have your black sockets hidden right here. I mean, goes very well with the wall. And then on this other side, we have your large sink here, more drawers for you. I mean, and of course, the house comes with a 4-burner cooker that uses gas, and we have one that is an electric plate here. Then we have an oven provided for you and a microwave up here, and of course we have a hood extraction here. The drawers have that wood finish that makes the house look really nice. I love the provision of this light here, such that you can have every other light off and have that ambient lighting there, to just when you're maybe preparing your meal and you don't want a lot of light, you just want that ambience. It's really fantastic. And of course we have provision for your fridge right there. On this other side we have the laundry area. Let's see how this looks like. And we have your laundry area, and then outside here we have a void that goes all the way to the top, just making sure that you have good aeration and lighting in this space. I love what they did here with this metal partitioning here. It brings in the air, but also has that privacy and feels very artistic. I mean, and then we have your sink provided here. You can have your laundry machine here and more storage space for you. You can put all your detergents in here. They have provided a space for you to put your dishwasher. They provided water and outlets. Then this white door looks really good, gives it that really fine finish. We also have space here for your pantry. You can have it closed, or you can just leave it open as it is. That's according to each individual, but comes with the shelves and looks really nice, having this provided and the light on top. Really, really thoughtful. So let's see the living area, and then we go to the bedrooms, see how those spaces look like. I love this chandelier here. Best thing is that it comes provided with the house when you're buying it. I love how the gypsum ceiling goes all around with the recessed lights scattered. I mean, the spacing is really good. You don't feel like there's a lot of light inside the room, so it gives that nice ambience and a homely feel. Then of course the large window with a balcony outside looks really good. I love how the curtains come from the high ceiling, flowing all the way down. You can play around with the fabric of your curtains, because I mean, the room comes, it feels really nice already, even without the curtains. On the wall we have this nice textured paint that goes very well with this wall. This does not come included when you are purchasing, but I mean, it's a very good idea. You can put your decor pieces here, your books. You can also just use it as your mini bookshelf. I mean, the staging is really nice. I mean, having just one art piece there, I have to comment about that. Looks really nice and gives the house a very minimalistic feel. So you have a lot of space in this living area. You can put a mini dining here, as we have. I will not go for such seats. I mean, for a dining, these are very, very big seats, so that we have more space around the dining area. From there, let's move and see the bathroom as we see the second bedroom. And finally, we are going to finish up with the master bedroom. So please look out for that. You enter the bathroom, and I mean, this space is just making you feel whatever you're supposed to do here. We have the hand wash basin, very well done. We have nice drawers here with a wooden finish, and of course lighting mirror here. I love the floating water closet. It gives it that, again, minimalistic finish, and also just having a concealed cistern here, and of course a bidet provided in black looks really good. On this other side is where we have your shower cubicle, and I mean, just having the developer provide your drainage looking so decent is really, really good. Of course, everything is just concealed inside, and we just have your rain shower here, and of course your hand shower over here looks, I mean, this space is really good. The tiles that flow, I mean, from the floor all the way up, and the way they feel textured gives this space a very nice feeling. They seem easy to clean as well, because I mean, you can easily wipeable to avoid any staining, and just having this space look very bright and clean, really, really fine. Again, the white door, this is really giving it a very clean finish. So let's see the second bedroom, which is just close to this space. So I believe this washroom can be used by anyone who is using the second bedroom, or your guest can also easily access this washroom. Those curtains really feel really, really nice. I mean, when you're buying such a house, make sure you go for the best quality curtains. So this is your second bedroom. They even staged a nice TV here for you. You have your downlighters there. You have nice recessed lights all around the room, and then you realize you don't have that center light, which I think really works well with the bedroom, because you don't want a lot of light in the bedroom. This side again, we have your wardrobe space that has sliding wooden doors with this black aluminium finish, looking very, very nice. I mean, the lighting inside very considerate. We have more space at the top. It looks very nice and gives the house a very fine finish. Just having the entire wall is white, and then this is just wood, and that black finish looks very nice. I love the skirting. I love the skirting used here. This is wood, and of course also the tiling, the floor is wooden laminate, which gives the house a very nice finish, and of course gives it that warmth that you always want, especially in a bedroom and the living area. You can walk barefoot in your house and still feel really, you feel warm and not cold compared to, of course, concrete tiles. And now welcome to my favorite room in the entire house. This is your master bedroom. Looks really nice. I love the staging, the king-sized bed, and having the big side tables gives you that this is where the boss sleeps, you know. Then we have your balcony here with nice end-to-end window, and of course having your tiles coming all the way from up to down looks really good. One thing I will also mention is that the developer also gave provision for automatic curtains, so you can have that done for you. I can see wires all the way up, which is really nice, and then stretching all the way I can see a walk-in closet. This is all your wardrobe space, and of course still maintained is the lighting inside. Look at that. You have a lot of space here. You can put all your clothes here and shoes. They fit very, very well. And again, this wooden door for the wardrobe looks very, very nice. Then walking towards this side, you can even imagine myself putting a large portrait here. Then going towards this space, we have a nice and very spacious hand wash basin, and of course more cabinet spaces here. The floating water closet looks really good. Towards here is where we have your rain shower, coming with of course a hand shower here. Very, very well done. The finishes are good. The tiling has been done very well. I mean, the workmanship, you can just tell from every angle of this house, has been done very, very well. Your lifestyle is about to change when you live in these premises, having all the amenities included. We have a nice rooftop pool, a lounge, we have gym facilities here, the gardens, the water features that we have, the reception and concierge. I mean, everything has just been put to make sure that you have modern living and fine living in the city. Once again, if you have not watched our one bedroom of the same development, please go down to our YouTube and you will be able to see how the one bedroom looks like. If you are planning to relocate to Nairobi, then this will be an ideal home for you. This is a home where you get in and you have everything inside the premises. We have water provided by the borehole. We have full backup generators. We have everything you need. I mean, if you want to have a swim either in the morning or in the evening, all that is provided. I am looking forward to seeing your comments of what you need to see next in Nairobi, any development you want to see or any space that you are interested in. Please remember to go to our comment section. Also remember to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel definitely. Thank you for being such an awesome audience. Until next time, bye bye.